So in this Google Docs tutorial, I will be showing you how to edit text font on Google Docs. So if I were to go ahead and just type in font like this, I'll make it a little bit larger so it's easier for you guys to see. Simplest ways to highlight your text right here, go to this top to where for me it says Arial. You can go ahead and select a font if you want. So if you wanted to go ahead and change this to, I don't know, this one right here, you can go ahead and select it, do what you got to do. If you want more different options right here, you can go to Format, press on Text, then you can scroll down to where it says there's size, there's capitalization, etc. You can go ahead and edit it that way. But once again, if you want to actually use different fonts right here, highlight your text, press on where it says more fonts like this. You can go ahead and select different fonts that are being offered right here. So if you wanted to use this one, you can go ahead, press done right there, and you can kind of change the text or the fonts that way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to edit text font on Google Docs. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.